Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sasha, aka Salona Styles, and thank you for clicking on my video. Today I'm gonna do a colorful look is what I think I'm gonna go with, but we're just gonna go with the flow and let the color speak to my soul. So as you can see, I've already did my eyebrows and primed my eyes, and I primed my skin. So happy new year everybody. I hope that everyone had a blessed holiday season this year. Mine was, I'm gonna go in with Thick from Shayla's palette first. And I'm just gonna go in my crease area. So yeah, hopefully everyone had a good holiday season. I know I did. It was my first one being married, so it was different in a good way. You know, we're in our new home and we're still getting settled in and everything, clearly, but it was fun. I'm just building up this color. Switch brushes. I have an orange shade. This is called Red Brick. Let me see. Okay, let's try that. Red Brick from MAC. And we're gonna go in tighter in that crease. I'll go in with the Saturn shade from the Modern, no it's not, lies, the Prism palette from Anastasia. Let me find a more pointed brush. I think I'm gonna try to take this into like right here. Blend. Now I'm gonna go in with this Colourpop I Like You Super Shock Shadow. I thought this was more orange. Let's put it on just a little with our finger first. Finger ain't doing nothing. Doing nothing. Kinda wonder if I should put some concealer first. Let's do that. As y'all can see, I'm literally just coming up as I go. Colourpop concealer. I'm just gonna put it on my hand. I got to really concentrate. Alright, y'all, my camera stopped recording. So I had to do my cut creases. Well, it's not really a cut crease. I was just putting some concealer down to hopefully make this color pop out more. So, kind of doing basically like a halo eye. So I think I'm gonna wet my brush first. Gonna go in with that Colourpop. I'm trying to blend around. We're gonna go back in with thick and just blend the top. So, eyeliner is on. Stick my fingernail into a freaking shadow. And we can move on to our face. So I'm just gonna use my Too Faced Born This Way foundation and Butter Pecan and Chai. Yeah, and Chai. I mixed the two. So I just pump one pump of each on my hand. So y'all can see it. And I'm gonna use my body sponge from Real Techniques, which I did not wet. So let me spray it. Lighter color and go where of course you would want your face to be lighter, and then we're gonna go in right behind it with the darker color. And now we just blend it out. Alright. And then now we're gonna go in with Conceal. We're gonna use, is this lighter? Let me tell you which one I'm gonna use first. I'm not gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape today. Okay, we're gonna go in with the Colourpop one first. The Colourpop, I'm using Deep Beige 45. Now, don't think I'm crazy, but I'm gonna use my beauty blender because it's smaller. I could actually use the brush, but I'm using my beauty blender. I just sprayed it, and we're gonna blend. Now I'm gonna use my Anastasia Contour Cream Kit, and I'm going to tap and just start blending that in. And I'm gonna blend my nose out. Okay, we're gonna go in with the Mercier translucent powder. And we're going to use our poof. This is not, I do have the poof that came with this, but this is just a poof I got probably from Walmart. And we're gonna set under the eye. I look up so I can make sure I get all of the creases. Probably looking real casket ready right now. Okay, I'm gonna set my contour, yeah, with my Guerlain terracotta bronzer. It's what I always use. Mine is in 09 Intense. Now we're just gonna dust off that translucent powder. That okay. We're going to put some color underneath our lower lash line. This brush first, whatever was left on here, we're just gonna take that. We'll go ahead and take you first. Seriously, just dusting that under there. Now we're gonna go in. I'm just gonna use what's on this brush from earlier. I don't think it's much on here. We're gonna go in with thick. Gonna go in with a little bit of that shade from MAC, which was red brick. Talking about burnt orange. I'm just use the same brush and just brush that on there. Okay, yeah. Okay. This is about as done as they gonna get. I'll put some mascara on. Actually, let me spray my face with some Fix Plus first. Then we're gonna put on some mascara, and while I let that kind of dry, I'm using my Better Than Sex Too Faced mascara. And you're just trying to coat them basically so that they'll flow better with the falsies. Okay. This is the Saharan Blush Vol.II palette from Juvia's Place. And I'm gonna go in with Towel. I'm gonna show you because look how much this kind of pigmented. Go in with Makeup Shayla's Pose Loose Pigment Highlighter. And I'm gonna use this brush. To highlight just the bridge of our nose and the tip of our nose. Alright, so now we will be, let me spray my face one more time. And now we are going to go into the lashes. Where they at? Where they at? Where they at? So I'm gonna do a neutral lip since my eyes is orangish. I really do love how they turned out, y'all. So I'm gonna try, I never use pitch. How dark is pitch? We'll use pitch. I'm gonna use pitch to line. This is by Colourpop. I just kind of did a thick lining of that. And then I'm going to go in with Dose of Colors Cork. Yes, I'm in love with this. Yes. So, y'all, this is the finished look. I am in love with this. The lips are real nude. So yeah, y'all, this is the finished look. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I love it. It came out great in my mind. So if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Thank you guys so much for watching and supporting me. It really means a lot to me. Let's have a great and amazing 2019, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.